Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you in how you can integrate WhatsApp to your Shopify. So first, you just have to open your Shopify. So from here, you just have to make sure that you're on the home screen. And from here, you just have to go to the search button. And then we're just going to search for WhatsApp. So after that, just tap on this one. And then here you have lots of results for WhatsApp. So I'm just going to be choosing this one since it has free plan available and has 4.8 ratings. So I'm just going to click on this one and then tap on install. And then I'll go here and then tap on install. So once you go back to your Shopify, you will see it in here. So you're going to click on this one, and from here you can manage the automations, manage campaigns, AI agents, and you can also add WhatsApp button. So you can also adjust here. You can add your phone number. You can also select the size to small, medium, large, XL, XSL. So it depends on your preferences. You can adjust all these informations. And that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.